Hi, this is Roni, and this is How to Kill a Kit with Style, August 2019. And this is also for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. This was a challenge in the party at the end of the month in July. And I'm going to use that picture there, my great nephew, and my kit. And I'm not going to use very much on this page. There's going to be a lot of butterflies, though, because the challenge was to use butterflies on your page. I don't use any of those stickers. I thought I was going to. I was going to try to because I haven't hardly touched them, but I don't. I'm going to mount my picture on some plain white cardstock, and I'm going to punch out a bunch of butterflies. Both of those punches are Martha Stewart punches. One has got 3 different butterflies on it, and the other one has a single one. And I'm going to use all 4 of those on my layout. And that side there is pretty, but I'm going to use the blue side to match the blue in his shirt. And since he is a boy, I thought the blue ones would go better anyway. And I really like how it turned out. My sister threw a fit when I told her that I did a page of him with a bunch of butterflies. She said, "I hope you didn't make him look like a sissy in it." I don't think so. I think it turned out just fine with the butterflies. I don't think he looks like a sissy in it. I think little boys like butterflies just as much as little girls do. And I am going to fiddle for a while on how to put these butterflies. I first thought I would just have them flying up to the right, but then I got to thinking he was looking down. So I had to have some down at the bottom of the page. And I do move the picture down farther than it is right now. But I thought it looked like they were flying onto the page and then up through the page and out. And if you actually see butterflies fly, they're not like birds. They kind of go here, there, and everywhere. So this doesn't portray real butterfly flight. It more portrays a bunch of birds flying. And yeah, I'm going to mess with this for a little while. But I'll cut all that out so you don't have to watch me mess with it. I am going to mount my picture on foam tape. And then each one of the butterflies, I'm going to put a piece of foam tape under one wing. I'm not going to put it under both. I'm going to put liquid glue to help hold it down. And then I'm going to put one of the wings with foam tape under it, little tiny pieces of foam tape, because some of those butterflies are really small. The only ones that I don't put foam tape on is the ones that are under the words. And that Summer is from Ellie's Studio, I believe it was. And I got them like 2-3 years ago. I got several. I got a little box when I ordered, and that's mostly what I ordered was those. And I haven't been using them like I should. I put them in this drawer, so out of sight, out of mind. And I decided to put them in my kit every time, 1 or 2, so maybe I can get them used. I looked at the stickers, and of course I did not see anything I wanted to use. That's why I had to turn around and look in the 6x6 paper pad. And I do find at the bottom a strip that says just another day in paradise, and it has pineapples on each end, 3 on each end, and I'm cutting them off. And since the picture's mounted in white and Summer is white also, I'm going to mount that on white too. And of course I'm going to turn around and put foam tape under it to bring it up a little. And I'm not quite sure where I'm at right now. Maybe I'm putting foam tape on it? I don't know. I'm still putting it on the... I talked faster than I worked. I am putting it on the white cardstock now. Maybe I had to find a piece of white cardstock, but you would think it wouldn't be hard. I'd had leftovers from the picture, right? But yeah, I'm just mounting that and then putting it on foam tape and putting it on my layout. And it's not going to go down there. It's going to go up just a little. Yeah, that's about where it's going to go right there. And when I put it there, that's when I decided I need more butterflies and to put them down like they were coming from the bottom of the page. And those punches of Martha Stewart's, they punch really well. I love it when I have a punch that punches good. I like using my punches, and I like them to work correctly. I don't want to have brute strength just to use them. And I end up punching a few more than I actually need, so some of them's going to go back into my kit because I don't need all of them. And here's where I start putting them down. I'm arranging them, and a drop of glue and a little teeny tiny piece of foam tape, because those are small butterflies, some of them. And then one wing's going to be up and one wing's going to be down, and I'm going to vary from one side to the other, and see they've got the dimension on all of them now. And those are cat scrappiness sequins, and they're really pretty sequins. I had Spiegel Mountain Scraps Pocket Full of Posies in my kit for the month, but I thought about using them, but they're not as bright yellow as these are, and I decided I wanted the more brighter colored sequins, so I pulled those out and used them on this layout. And of course I've got to glue them all down, and I'm cutting that part out, and see how they sparkle? They sparkle really pretty. And I just got a couple of more to do, and then I got to check, see if any fall off. One fell off, and put that one on. And that's my layout. I don't do anything else to it. It's pretty plain and simple for my layouts because I like to put a lot of stuff. But I did put a lot of butterflies on there. And see all the dimension on the butterflies and the foam tape on there. But that's it. That's my layout. Nice quick layout this time. If you leave a comment below, I'll be sure to reply to your comment. If you liked the video, please hit a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all have a happy scrapping week. Bye!